First, press the emergency button and lay Yarbo on its side. Using Allen key number 2, remove the 4 screws from the side panel. Use the L-shaped socket wrench to partially loosen the screws. There's no need to remove them completely. With Allen key number 3, unscrew the bolts. Next, loosen the track tension screws to make it easier to remove the track. Use the track wrench to loosen the screws until the track can be detached. Loosen the tensioning screws until the track can be removed. Using both hands, press inward from both sides to slacken the track. For easier removal, start detaching the track from the rear wheel. When installing the new snow track, ensure the protruding tread patterns face forward toward Yarbo's front. Align the track with the front wheel sprocket. Then gently press the track onto the rear wheel until it's securely in place. Tighten the track tension screws. Tighten the screw. Tighten the rear screws. Install the side panel. This completes the snow track replacement on one side. Same method goes with the other side.